Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the derivative of the integral. So I will show you the technique how to answer this one. We can see that we have a cos of s to the power of 2 in the box in the top and a sine of s in the bottom. So we put this one in here and this one in here. So the top that will go to the positive. So we have s squared and we have e to the power of this one over this one. So this is the positive on here, and now we have first the derivative of this one. Next, this is about in the bottom, so we need to put about the negative. And now we do the same thing. We put about s squared in here. And we have t, we just replace with arc sine of s. Similar for this one. And we do first the derivative of r sine. Next, first the derivative of cos of s squared, you will go about the square root s squared to the power of 2 minus 1. And we do first the derivative of s squared, you go about 2s. This one. First the derivative of sine s is about 1 over the square root of 1 minus s to the power of 2. And this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.